for it to kind of nearly be out in the world for people to see.
It's very exciting. Can't wait for people to see it. We saw it only recently. We were given one of those, special links that, will explode by such and such a date if you don't watch it because it's all very secret. And we love it. We had such fun doing it. We just hope that everyone else does.
Oh, I feel like a kid at Christmas time. Really excited, a wee bit nervous. Just so proud to be here in Belfast at the QFT, this incredible building, just to watch what is, I hope, is going to land really, really well with this audience tonight.
So proud.
I know. It feels like it's not real either because it happened like nearly 2 years ago now.
A long time ago now.
So
yeah.
it just feels like also it was yesterday and then it was 2 years ago. So
I know.
it's a mixture, but just excitement.
Yeah, and I feel very proud that it's Belfast-based and I'm a Belfast girl, so I love to see it. Very, very proud of all of us.
Proud for you. Thank you.
Listen, I'm proud where I am from in Belfast itself. And when you get people and they say, do you feel any humble? The question is I don't, because I'm proud where I'm from. And it's nice when you put your feet down on the ground and make people laugh and make people serious, make it more comedy-like, really. It's just amazing.
The response so far has been so good for people who have watched it, and people are so enthusiastic that I think you got to kind of step back from it now and just let it be. We've done the work, we've done all we can. I'm very, very, very proud of it. I love it. So yeah, no, it's just got to hand it over to the people and let them make of it what they will.
It is really funny. It's got that amazing Derry Girls kind of crack and banter and just unique Lisa McGee voice in it. But it's also a thriller and it's also very dark, and it really asks a lot of the audience, I think, about identity and friendship and grief and loss and moving on, and it's just, there's so much in it. I think that'll be really surprising.
I mean, we're lucky enough that it's written by Lisa McGee, who's brilliant, so people know her from Derry Girls and that brilliant wit. So hopefully they'll come for that, but then stay for the mystery of it, the thriller element, and it's quite, at times, which I thought was unexpected, it's quite moving.
It's amazing. Whenever I first left training as an actress, I didn't think I'd ever be doing a Netflix show, never mind one in Belfast, allowed to use my own voice about stories about people from this place, and it wasn't something I grew up watching really, so I'm just delighted to be a part of it, and Ireland is really showcased so beautifully in this show.